just didn't want to believe it was you. Yes, it can happen to you too, sis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing this Butta Lace One from Sensational, and it's also a collab, y'all. It's a collab with my girl SamoreLoveTV, and if you're here from her channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are collabing on these bobs right here. Samore is a fellow YouTuber here in these YouTube wig-based streets, and she is an OG, y'all. Like, if you don't know who she is, you need to check her out, because I couldn't be here if it wasn't for OGs like her. You know what I'm saying? So I am totally all for this collab. She does wig reviews. She does try-on hauls. She actually just did a bathing suit haul, and summertime is coming, and this quarantine time is about to be over. So, you know, it's time to go shopping for those swimsuits. I recently just kind of got to know her, and I am loving her vibe, y'all. First of all, y'all know I'm from Jersey. She's a New Yorker, and she's Caribbean. That's it right there. She's West Indian, okay? So I fell in love with her after I learned all of that. Anyway, if you want to know my thoughts on how I'm feeling about this new unit, stay tuned.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you on my head. Here's the verdict and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have but one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Check it. Sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room.
Stop. Okay, guys. I don't know what to say. Woo! I just want to show y'all that I was about to cut this on my own, and we legit just tore. Okay? So let me just cut it off my head, okay? Put the music back on. Okay guys, so I am back and I've installed this unit. I put her on. I haven't really installed it. I basically put her on my head and sprayed a little bit of spray, called it a day. So yeah, I'm back doing all of that. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into why we are here. You guys want to know the tea on these new units. We are here to talk about this Butta Lace Unit 1 from Sensational. This is a new unit that Sensational has dropped. It's the Butta Lace Unit, and it's from the makers of What Lace. It's supposed to be like, you know, kind of same concept, but just a different type of lace they're trying to give us. Guys, I honestly was not really that excited about reviewing this, just to be totally honest with you. There are a lot of reviews floating around, and I kind of just was like, I just don't want to review it. But I do understand as a reviewer that sometimes one person's opinion is not the same as the next person's opinion. So I did my live last Friday. If you don't know, Drinks with Khrissy, it was popping. And you guys told me that you wanted me to review this. So here we are, and I'm reviewing it, okay? I'm bringing it to y'all. I'm bringing it to y'all because I love you guys. So it's saying that this is an HD lace, and this lace is supposed to basically melt into your skin. It does have this angle part. It's not like the regular What Lace, our 13x6 units. This one just has a lace part. Also too, this hairline is supposed to be like pre-plucked and looking good. I think the hairline looks okay if you actually did want to melt this down and pull her back. I just kind of went in with a little bit of spray right here just to secure that. And I feel like that kind of melted into my skin pretty good. So now, first of all, you guys might be hearing some Peppa Pig or tumbling going on. We're quarantined. The whole family's home. Let's just make that clear. As you saw with my install, I wanted to be excited about this unit. I absolutely wanted to be excited about it. I tried to be unbiased, and I usually try not to watch other people's reviews, but it was so many popping up. We were kind of all like curious about what was about to go down with this unit. So I did watch a couple reviews. I do also know that everybody's opinion is different. So with that being said, I wasn't just not going to review it because one person said it was bad. You guys got to understand that you have to watch multiple reviews to kind of get your own gist of what the wig is about, because I may not like blonde, which I do, but you may like blonde, or something I say about a unit I may not like but you may like. So keep that in mind. So with that said, I try to give this unit the benefit of the doubt. But as you saw in my fast forward part, I kind of was a little disappointed. I was a little disappointed because as I'm putting her on, first of all, the lace absolutely does feel a little bit different. It feels thinner. I think they made it a little thinner just to kind of get that kind of HD melts translucent effect. But this lace is very thin. I was able to rip this wig while I was about to cut it, and I don't really rip wigs. I mean, I have ripped one. I ripped one time, but I was really putting some force into that. So that being said, me knowing that I rip my wigs, I kind of am a little gentle. But as I was lifting it up, this side did rip on me. I know there's some reviews out there saying tracks are falling out, laces ripping, this, that, and the fourth. And I just, you know, I'm like, okay, maybe they got a bad batch. Maybe this, maybe that. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. And my lace ripped. So as far as tracks aren't falling out. I do notice that in this unit, I talked about it in my live, that the cap feels a little different than other caps. It doesn't feel as sturdy as other caps. I'm not too sure if Sensational maybe tried a different company this time around or a new manufacturer, something, but it definitely does feel different. But one thing I do know is Toyota and Lexus are the same company, right? Toyota is lower quality, Lexus higher quality. So sometimes, you know, we're trying to have the same company, but the quality is different depending on the brand, if that makes sense. So these Butta lace units, I think they were trying to give that whole What Lace effect, you know, without that price point. Even though this is still in a $30 range, I think they were trying to give us a lower quality of that, and they kind of fell short. And I kind of really feel bad for saying this, but I just want you guys to know my honest truth. I feel like they could have did a little bit better with this unit. I mean, yes, it is not a What Lace, you know, in the $60 price range, but it is still representing Sensational, and I feel like the quality should have been there. So as far as the pros and the cons, I know I just went on a whole rant with y'all, but I want y'all to understand. So as far as the way this wig feels, first of all, pros and cons, I think the colors are okay. This one comes in a lot of different colors. There's a lot of different money piece colors, caramel, blonde, red. It's a lot of just different variations. So if you like colors, you know, this is cool. This is cool. This is money piece blonde. I did have a number 2. I gave that away in my giveaway last Friday. And I noticed that that one felt a little bit different. But I kind of wish I would have kept it. Girl, I shouldn't have gave you that wig. It's okay. It's okay. But that texture of that wig felt a little bit different than this one right here. So I'm not too sure if these colors are different. But this wig is definitely silky. It's silky. Some people like silky, you know. But I kind of wish the texture was a little bit different. It's kind of giving me like doll vibes, you know, like baby doll vibes, and I just want it to be a little bit more textured. I don't need a whole textured wig, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more to her, if that makes sense. So the pros, the cap feels good. The cap is fitting on my head very comfortably. I don't have any issues. It's very stretchy. The lace is melting. I think they did a good job with this lace. And like I said, the color. So now the cons. This wig is shedding like I don't know what is going on. People might think I have the Rona the way this wig is shedding. It is shedding all over me, y'all. So that's one thing. And normally my wigs do kind of shed, you know, with synthetic. But I think this one is shedding. I'm not too sure if because the lace is thinner or what, but it is shedding. Another thing, like I said, is the texture. The texture is, it's just, I wish the texture was a little bit different. And then also too, I'm noticing these pieces are just not really consistent all throughout the wig. Like I'm getting a lot of straggly hairs just hanging here and there. So I don't know if everybody is kind of working from home or maybe half the staff didn't come in to work on this wig. I'm not too sure what's going on, but this is not it. It's not what we've been waiting for, and it's not like, boom, butter lace, we ready, you know? So maybe back to the drawing board. I was going to review Money Piece 2, but honestly, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. I'll leave a link down to my app where I sell my wigs. I'm not even gonna waste my time with that. I told y'all on my live that I was gonna review it, and I'm sorry, but I'm not excited about it, and I can't fake it. I can't fake it. I'm already ready to just be done. So yeah, this wig is okay. It is very beginner friendly. I think you would do better if you get more of a natural color in this wig, but when you start messing around in these colors, I'm not sure if it's the processing or what. The texture of the wig does seem to be changing. And also too, like I said, my lace ripped. It straight up ripped on me. And that just made me want to turn the whole camera off. I just wanted to be done. And, you know, because I wanted to go in with some hope with this. I wanted to go in like, oh, that's just them. That's just them. I don't know. That's not me. But boom, it happened to you. It's like when you try to tell your friend that her man is cheating, you're like, no, he ain't cheating, and then boom, you find out he cheating. You just didn't want to believe it was you. Yes, it can happen to you too, sis. We try to tell you. We try to tell you. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this review. I hope you guys have got something out of it. Make sure you definitely check out my girl SamoreLoveTV. Let me know your thoughts about this wig. Would you buy her? Have you bought her? And until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.